Diabetes and food care. Ever wondered why it's important to keep your blood glucose levels in check? If your levels of sugar get too high, the excess glucose in your blood can damage the nerves in your feet and hinder blood flow to your lower extremities. This might lead to infections that can lead to serious food problems. Compared to the general population, people with diabetes are 15 to 40 times more likely to require a lower limb amputation. Every 30 seconds, a person with diabetes loses a leg somewhere in the world. Scary, isn't it? If you or your loved ones have high blood glucose, then you should be aware of its symptoms. Welcome to Diabetes and Food Care module. Let's peep into Mohan's house and check. Mohan's mother, a diabetes patient, complains about a pain in her feet with some burning sensation. The feet also shows some blisters. Don't shrug off such symptoms. It could be a sign of something serious. What are the warning signs of the food problem due to high blood sugar? Patients might show burning, tingling, or painful feet. They might lose the sensation to heat, cold, or touch. There might be changes to the color or shape of your feet. Loss of hair on the toes, feet, and lower legs. You can also observe thickening and yellowing of the toenails, onset of red spots, blisters, sores, ulcers, infected corns, or ingrown toenail. Get to know your feet. Inspect your feet daily from toenails to heel and treat any abnormalities you find, such as dryness, cuts, sores, and calluses. If a wound is oozing, inflamed or painful, seek medical attention. It could be infected. Perform routine foot and toenail care. Think of it as pampering a part of your body you take for granted. Wash your feet every day in warm water with mild soap. Your diabetes may make it difficult to sense water temperature with your feet. Dry your feet well. Moisturize the dry skin with lotion or oil. Infections tend to develop in moist areas, so make sure you dry the area between your toes well. Performing routine toenail care is equally important. It is best to cut toenails after a bath or shower when nails are softened. Cut straight across rather than in a curved fashion to help prevent ingrown toenails. Be careful not to cut toenails too short and into the corners. Use an emery board to smooth the edges. Have your toenails trimmed by a foot doctor or another healthcare provider if you can't see well, or if your nails are thick, or if you have neuropathy or nerve damage that has affected food sensitivity. You can help protect your feet by wearing shoes at all times. For people with diabetes, feet should be like face. Check them daily. Be especially vigilant about you or your loved one's diabetes care while they are healing a foot or leg infection. Early prevention can make your life risk-free. Beat Diabetes, Win Life, a public awareness initiative by USV.